Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my Halloween card for 2023. and it's just a really simple card. I didn't really go too elaborate on it. I had shared in my haul video just the other day. I picked up these owls, and these were perfect to add to my card. And here is my simple card. So this looks blue on video, but it's actually a purple, like that color. I don't know why it's turning out purple, but anyway, this is Basil cardstock, and I stamped Halloween. I tore the edge. I inked it with black soot distressed ink. I added this type of owl. The other owl has wings. I think this orange one. So I'm going to use both of them. I use this twine here that has little orange specks in it, and I love how it looks. It's brown and it has specks in it. It's just cute. And I made my 2-finger bow, and I tore this paper and I tore this paper. And these papers, and I don't even, it's an old paper pad. I have it. I didn't go out and buy any Halloween paper this year. I was like, I'm going to use what I have. And that's what I did. So really simple layout, nothing too fancy. I love the layered look, and it's perfect. And yeah. And then this is 110 cardstock, either from Michael's or from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to put a white mat inside so I can write and everything. So I just wanted to come on and show you my Halloween card for this year. I want to thank everybody for watching, and have a great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.